Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you what you can make from an old sink. We put it on the ground and mark around it. We move the sink aside and dig a hole along the markings. Now we place the sink into this hole and fill the sides with soil. We tamp everything down well, and after that you need to drill 4 holes in the sink. Now you need to attach a piece of plexiglass with hinges to the sink. The easiest way to do this is with rivets. Here's the lid we ended up with. Next, I surround the sink with stones on the sides. Now open the lid and pour soil into the sink. Use a piece of plywood to create a depression in the soil. The depressions are done. I'm placing the discs in the grooves. Everything needs to be covered with soil on top and then watered thoroughly. By now, most people have probably realized this has become a mini greenhouse. When the nights are still cold, it's good to grow radishes, onions or some seedlings in such a greenhouse. And as you can see, after some time the radishes have sprouted. If it's warm during the day, open the lid. At night, close it to prevent freezing. Here's a homemade project like this, which is easy to make from an old sink. This idea will be useful for people with a summer house or country home. Who enjoyed this do-it-yourself project? Like this video, write comments, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.